I deserve to live a happy life. I have a healthy body and abundant energy. My future does not rest on my past. I love and accept myself completely. I have complete control over how I respond to all situations. Success is my right. I can do great things. I believe in my intuition and knowledge. The world around me is full of opportunities. I will create a better day by helping others. I am passionate and full of potential. No one can break my spirit. I can control my emotions. Everything that happens in my life is for my good. I forgive those who have harmed me in the past and I come to terms with that.